is a car that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. Came with a set. Tires on it are the original tires, but the car been sitting for a while. The tires are kind of hard, so it's really slick going around the corners. Don't get any traction hardly at all. We're up right here and let you see what I'm talking about. It's been on, spins out over there. I've got some silicone tires now that I want to replace these with, so let's see what the difference is. And I put the new set of silicone tires on there. I'm still new to all this, so let's see how this one does. Night and day. That's crazy. Yeah, that's really good. I've got 7 more cars I need to do, 6 more cars I need to do that too. Yeah, I love that. I'm still running in a like beginner mode for the speed. Thanks for watching. I hope there was somebody watching. Stay tuned because I'm going to have more videos. I'm going to have some ghost racing. Hopefully I'm going to eventually get a TV put on that wall. I'm getting the app bought too. And I'm going to be running some races. Some of my buddies and then me and ghost racing. So thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't. Talk to you later.